Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. We're gonna see Nasdaq and SPX both what it did today. For this intraday, we have, of course, after the live stream today, we said we're still looking for a little bit higher here for Nasdaq, preferably, of course, to finish definitely this 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Wave 5 has to unfold as a zigzag. And after looking here at an ABC, of course, a wave C can unfold as an impulse to reach at least the high here, finishing a diagonal and ending diagonal. And of course, with it, you're gonna finish a major wave 1. And of course, we move toward the downside for a major correction as a wave 2. And that because, of course, we have finished a major impulse here in the yellow scenario where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We are looking next, of course, for a big wave 2 around the 20K, of course, as a possibility to reach minimum target there. So I suggest, of course, before doing this, we can still see one more high for Nasdaq, at least inside this blue box, 22K900 and 22K973. Let's see the SPX. Basically, the SPX also is almost at the end, at the top of this wave 3. We can see, of course, a double 1 2 here, wave 3 4 and a 5. The wave 5 has already took the high, so basically internally this is done and finished as an impulse here, 1 2 3 4 and a 5, probably finished like that as 1 2 3 4 5 here. It can be, of course, a possibility here that you have a wave 4, new wave 4, which is, of course, we are looking for it anyway. Yeah, so we need to see, however, like kind of like 3 ways now. It can be fast as well, since the wave 2 here is not very long in time, but preferably, of course, to see at least 5 to 6 candles. So far, we are looking at 3 candles. So probably maybe one more low is very possible before moving, of course, for this final wave 5 to end up, of course, this wave 3 in the blue box potentially can be, or simply don't forget again taking this high this now, yeah, for this time. Potentially, of course, once you take it here, you finish a 4 and a 5, and preferably to see some kind of like the same structure at least repeating itself for wave 5 toward the upside here. Don't forget, after this, we might see a wave 4 for SPX and potentially another wave 5 towards the upside before it starts the move towards a wave 2 towards the downside. So it might be a little bit behind Nasdaq, which is usual for us. We already see this most of the time, right? That SPX lag a little bit behind Nasdaq. So that was it for the Nasdaq and the SPX intradays. I wish you to have, of course, a nice day and, of course, stay safe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.